Last week I dropped my calipers. I really like them. They were great. So they're made by a company called iGaging. And they have, I guess, the registered mark OriginCal. This is the first pair I got. I bought it in September of 2014 from a company on Amazon. It's Anytime Tools. And from what I could tell, these were legitimate, and they have been amazing. Like I said, they slide very well. I never even have to use the wheel. I mean, unless I'm dialing down to, 0.1 millimeters or so. I do everything in metric. So anyway, I dropped them, and I managed to hit all 4 of the measurement points. So it was time to replace them. So I went back to Anytime Tool. Bought a new one. It came in today. And from the get-go, I thought things were different. First of all, the case is a different color. It's completely opaque. It's not clear. So I purchased a lot of tools in my life that have ended up being counterfeit. And for the record, I don't know if these are counterfeit. Maybe the original pair was counterfeit and they just substituted it for a better brand. Who knows? Or maybe iGaging lowered their quality really considerably. So let's look at the new guy here. You open it up, it's kind of a mess. Most of the stuff is similar to the other thing. I didn't keep the original products stuff, but this just reminds me of what I originally got. Calibration sheet reminds me of what I originally got. I have some issues with it, but I'm not worried about it now. It comes with a battery. Comes in a plastic bag. I don't remember the other one doing that, but whatever. Comes with the anti-corrosion paper as well, just like the last one. The first thing I noticed was that this anti-corrosion paper didn't have any logo on it, which is fine. I do supply stuff as well, so I could change manufacturers, no problem. So we'll get rid of all that stuff there. The box actually looks very well designed. It's got a couple of points here to keep the thing from jumping around in the box. I have no idea what that's for. But the first sign that something was really wrong was when I went to try to move it. It's very, very rough. You can see that it doesn't even really like to move. So I said, okay, well maybe our stop knob is tightened and it's loose. In fact, unlike a normal guy, you can just keep loosening this until it falls out, which is not the case with the original one here, which is loose and then it stops. It has a little stop guy on it. And again with this one, look how lightly I'm going to try to use the exact same pressure here. This new one, I can't even move it at all. It's very, very rough. It's a brand new tool. So, second thing I noticed is that the colors were very different. You can see that even on my iPhone camera here. The dropped one is the original one. This is the one I just got. The screen outline is different. The tools are very similar overall, but I can't use this one. Even when I use this wheel, it's grainy. So I hope that OriginCal didn't greatly lower their standards, and then I just got a counterfeit. I don't know why you would counterfeit a low-end, medium-end caliper, but I don't know. I mean, is it more accurate than the one I have now that I dropped? Obviously, but I won't be using it. I'm sending it back. Hopefully I'll find this useful. Sorry for the drop voice. I've been really sick the last few days now.